I see online videos also, and I try to see who. I try to visit all the nurseries and all the various organizations which are conducting this आमचे हे जाता camps जाता पळय यांचे exhibitions, and I try to go to those exhibitions. I try to see what is the new variety, and I check on the net also what is the climatic conditions suitable for growing certain types of fruit bearing trees. With that, I try to get an idea whether it will be suitable for Goa. Even if it is not suitable for Goa, I try to procure it and I try to do it as an experiment. Now, since I have brought lychee, I am not knowing whether the lychees will have the fruits, but we have good plants better than those which are grown in state of Bihar. But I am not knowing whether the climate will be suitable to give the fruits or not. In my garden, I have lychee plants, I have rambutan, I have egg bregery, I have avocado. In avocado, I have 4 different varieties. In that, topmost leading is avocado, Hutch avocado. In this type, regarding rose apple, I have red rose apple, green rose apple. I have white rose apple. I have long thigh rose apple, and among the in Kokni, if I say amado, ज्याची आम्ही सासव करता, in that I have seedless amado and all season amado. Among the jackfruit trees also I have gumless jackfruit tree, and I have red sendur variety which I have planted recently, which will be yielding the fruit throughout the year except in rainy season, though it will flower but it will not give fruit, because I have tried myself and I have personally gone and visited Vengula and I have seen that farm, and where from where I have purchased the that Sindur jackfruit tree. My office timings, since I am working for the government department, I have to also adhere to my office timings, and my duty in the office should not be affected. My efficiency in office also should not be affected, because government is paying for me, and by from that money I am investing in the agriculture. That is the basic purpose. So my means of earning is government service, so I should not affect my duty. So early in the morning I get up at around 6 o'clock, 6:30. I spare my 1.5 hour in the garden. Similarly, after coming from my office, I again waste my time in the garden from around 6:30 if I reach, or 4:45 if I reach. Then again I come in the garden. I spare my remaining time which I could have spared with my other activities in my garden, because my plants are my good friends than anyone else. In weekends, what has happened in weekends, Saturday and Sunday, I am having generally off, and sometimes now I am on the leave. But I will exhaust weekends on Saturdays and Sundays. Full time I devote myself in the garden, except when the hot sun comes. During that time I take a rest. I have planted the sar fruit, what is known in the local language आम्ही म्हणटा की कॅन्सराक त्याचो खूप उपयोग जाता. माझ्या कंपाउंडान ऑलमोस्ट तसली हांवें 25 एक प्लांट केल्ली आसा एवरीवेअर इन माय हियर एंड इन माय अदर प्लेस एट दोडामार. आणि हिची जी फ्रूट जाता ही अशें हांवें लिटरेचरान वाचला, बिकॉज आय एम नॉट एन एक्सपर्ट ऑन द मेडिकल दिस थिंग. लिटरेचरान वाचून येयला की म्हाका दिसला की एक केमोथेरपी या पेशंटाक कॅन्सर जाला, एक केमोथेरपी घेता, हें जर फ्रूट खाल्लो इट हॅज एन इफेक्ट ऑफ ऑलमोस्ट 40 केमोथेरपीज, अँड आय एम ट्रायंग टू गिव दोज फ्रूट्स फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट to any cancer patient, because I have lot of persons whom I know they are suffering from cancer, and I try to give that fruit to all the patients, including I send those fruit to Bombay where the patients are there. Only thing is that I should know that somebody is suffering and he should give me a call. I am ready to treat that person. Treat means I am ready to share that fruit to that person free of cost, because this is a service which we can render to the society to cure the patients. I like agriculture, and the agriculture is such a field, because we know that भारताक आमी म्हणटा कितें, भारत हो कृषी प्रधान देश आसा, आणि agriculture was our main occupation, whatever might be the thing. But I saw that development is coming in such a way that we are destroying the nature, and we should protect the nature, because we have to finally protect our planet. There are varieties of plants, and I love plants like anything, and especially I love fruit bearing plants because they give something for us to eat. Whatever might be the thing, then that is the reason why I develop love and affection for the plant. I consider that plants are a part of our life, because if we want to survive for the longer period, These are the plants who will be able to give us the oxygen. They will maintain the natural balance. With that we can survive long and we can have a healthy life. That gave me an impetus to come in this line. And I like all the varieties of plant, including flowering plant, but I prefer to go for fruit bearing plants because we get an income from that. Plus somebody we can give it as a love and affection to your friends and all. गोंयकारांच्या यंग भुरग्यांक, एज्युकेटेड भुरग्यांक एक संदेश आसा. आमी गव्हर्मेंट जॉब सोदता, गव्हर्मेंट जॉब गावलो वेल एंड गूड, पूण जेका गव्हर्मेंट जॉब गावला तांकांय हो संदेश की जेणी गव्हर्मेंट जॉब घेतला त्या लोकांनी पासून आपल्या गार्डनान काहीतरी कल्टिवेट करचे, जेका लागून आमी निसर्ग बचोवं शकतले. आमच्या गार्डनान आमी कितें करता, कसली भाजी लाया, कितें लाया, रोपण करात आणि निसर्गाक बचयात. ही काळाची गरज आसा, कित्याक आतां टेम्परेचर ऑन अर्थ इज ग्रोईंग लायक एनीथींग, आनी हीट इतकी जाल्ली आसा, कित्याक निसर्गाक आमी जर डिस्ट्रॉय करीत जाल्यार आमी आमचें प्लॅनेट डिस्ट्रॉय करतले. जे यूथ बेकार आसात आनी जेका सरकारी नोकरी ना मेळ्ळी, ना प्रायवेट नोकरी ना मेळ्ळी, त्यांनी डिस्करेज जायनासतना जर आपलो जागो आसा तितून त्यांनी प्लांटेशन करचें. वरायटी ऑफ प्लांट्स आसात. गायी पोसल्यो जाल्यार तेचे पासून शेण गावतलें आमकां. म्हाजे प्रॉब्लम जाला, म्हाजे कडेन शेण ना, हांव शेण दुसरे कडेन विकत हाडटा आनी म्हाका विकतें हाडून तें म्हाज्या झाडांक घालचें पडटा. जर म्हाजे कडेन शेणाक जागो आसा, म्हाजे कडेन गायी आसा, जाल्यार म्हाजें शेण जातलें. शेण हो म्हाजो फर्टिलायझर हो हांव म्हाज्या शेतीक उपयोग करूं शकतलो, गार्डनाक उपयोग करूं शकतलो आनी आमी उत्पन्न घडोवं शकतले. सो यंग भुरग्यांक एक संदेश आसा की एग्रीकल्चरान नुकसाण ना. एग्रीकल्चरान आमी काळ जर आपले झोपून पूर्ण रित्या घातलो आनी वरायटी प्लांटेशन केली, एकूच भाशेचें न्हू, प्लांटेशन अशें करचें की वर्स करून वर्सभर तितूनच्यान वरायटीचें उत्पन्न जातलो. आंबो अमक्या सिजनाक लागता, पपय अमक्या सिजनाक लागता. सगळे पद्दतीचें जर पीक आमी परिपूर्ण सगळीं झाडां आमच्या गार्डनान लायली जाल्यार वर्सभर आमकां गव्हर्मेंट नोकरीचें उत्पन्न गावता इतकें गावों शकता. हेचेर हांवें स्टडी केल्ली आसा आनी ते पद्दतीन हांव म्हाज्या गार्डनान प्लांटेशन करता. म्हाज्या सारके बाकीच्या युथांनी प्लॅनेट वाचोवपाक लागून प्लांटेशन करचें, जितूनच्यान आमचें उत्पन्न जातलें, नॅशनल वेल्थ वाडटली. कित्याक कोणेंय ग्रो केलें, फायनली आउटकम इज रिजल्टींग टू नॅशनल वेल्थ. हांव ग्रो केलें, संपत्ती म्हाजी वाडची ना, देशाची संपत्ती वाडटा. आनी ताका लागून हांव सगळ्या युवकांक एक विनंती करता, आपल्या गार्डनान झाडांची फळां लाया, जेचे करून आमची नॅशनल वेल्थ आमी वाडयतले. आमचे गोंयचे स्टेट एक उत्कृष्ट स्टेट म्हणून आमच्या भारत देशाक आमी दाखोवन हाडपाची ही सगळ्या युवकांक म्हाजी नम्र विनंती.
Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.